FeatureNET user interface is a web application that lists all the previous tasks that have been scheduled. For every task, it shows the status and the path to exported products. You also have the count of the configuration that have been requested and the number of valid deep neural networks that have been trained and exported. To schedule a new task, we fill in parameters like the duration of the sampling and the number of generated models. We can also customize the maximum number of blocks and cells within each configuration. Finally, we select the number of training epochs and the targeted datasets. The task will first build the meta model, then searches for configurations that maximize the diversity under the meta model's constraints. FeatureNET will compile the chosen configuration into trained Keras model and finally assesses the performance metrics of our experiment, like accuracy and robustness. The dashboard tracks the progress of every task, and once the task is complete, we have access to a detailed report. The detailed windows has 3 panels. First, a general overview of all the attributes of the task. The second panel contains a list of all generated models. This list presents some attributes of the model, like the number of layers, the number of weights, the robustness, and the accuracy. You can also view the TensorFlow graph of every model as an image, or download the model in the HDF5 format. This format can be loaded by Keras and contains all the information about the architectures and the weights of the model. The last panel contains a plot of the generated models according to the metrics that have been assessed. In the following example, we will use the API to hook a new experiment to the model generation. The experiment consists of measuring the correlation of the weights of the first layer of each model. First, we build the meta model. We define the function of the experiment and we hook it to the pipeline. Finally, we build the model and print the experiment's results.